So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you're going to see all your peripherals and you can update them. So let's say that you want to update your headset, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs, and then you're going to be seeing your speakers right here. You can right click on your speakers, click on update driver, and then click on search responsive for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers installed for your device. You could also click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And then if you click on check for updates, this is also another way how Windows can search for the latest drivers for your device. You can head back over to device manager again, right click on your speakers or wherever you want to update, click on update driver, and then click on browse my computer for drivers. And then click on every pick from a list. And now you can try everything that will come up here. You want to click on it, click on next and install it. Now for the second method, if your certain peripherals or hardware comes with the software itself. So for me I have a Logitech mouse, keyboard and headset, and it comes with the Logitech G-Hub software. So let's say I wanted to update the drivers for one of these, or if I wanted to check if I've got the latest drivers installed already, then you want to click on any peripheral, and then click on settings, and it tells me that my firmware is up to date. If it's not up to date, then I can just update it through the application itself. This could also apply to a different peripheral that you have, such as like a printer or anything that you can think of. It might come with a software, and you can update the drivers through that. I'm going to give you another example. So I have an NVIDIA graphics card, and I downloaded GeForce Experience. Now if I want to update drivers for my graphics card, I can just head over to the drivers tab, and then click on check for updates. And then this will update my drivers for me.